Google Sheets Applied Skills Data. Earning a certificate can help you get a job at a particular field or can help you validate the information you know. Throughout digital applications and responsibility, you have practiced several different aspects of Google applications. You deserve credit for the work you have done. In order to validate your success, we use a Google Sheet to track your progress to make sure you are on a path towards success. So we're going to get started using this sheet so that we could validate and verify if you have completed all of the work that you need to do in order to earn your Google applications and applied digital skills certification. What we will do is go to the directions here. We're going to make a copy of this file. When you do, make sure that you go ahead and hit that file, make a copy. You can rename it and move it to your digital apps folder, your DAR folder. I'll call mine demo and move it to my DAR folder. Let's go back over to the directions and make sure that we are completing everything as proper. So step 2 says you will need to open up your Synergy grades or have a second tab with your grades from Canvas. I will give you a moment to do that step. Step 3 says, locate the sheet called Drive or Gmail in Sheets toolbar. It should have a red label. On this sheet, you have 4 lessons listed that you should have already completed. Record your grades in column B next to the assignment name. All right, so I'm going to go to that sheet down there on the Sheets toolbar. Find the red sheet, Drive Gmail. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to calculate my total points for each of these assignments. Now you can just record yours from what you can see in Synergy or what you have listed there in Canvas. I'm just going to make up a few grades here. Once you have yours completed, we are going to total these points. So we will use equals, sum, and then B3 through B6. Gives me a total of 90 points. And you'll repeat that same process for your docs and your sheets. Now, we have not gotten to slides yet, so you won't need to worry about your slides tab just yet. Well, let's work on docs just quickly. Go ahead and enter in your grades. I'll give you a few moments to complete that. Once you have that completed, you're going to go back over to your Master tab. And actually, we will go back over to Canvas to see what our next step is in our directions. Let's complete steps 3 and 4 for the docs, which is blue, and the sheets, which is green. We've just done that. We have completed that step. Step 6, what says once you have entered all of your scores, click on the yellow tab and find cell B3. We're going to carry over the total for all of your Drive Gmail points by completing the following steps. Got a chart listed here that you will need to complete in cell B3. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I'm on my master sheet. I'm going to locate cell B3, which is here. So what I'm going to do is type equals. Remember, each function or formula always starts with the equal symbol. Now I want to type the name of the sheet from below. I have to type it exactly as it is written. Drive, Gmail. I'll use my exclamation point. Then I'm going to locate the cell where I want that information. So I'm going to click over here. And I want to get it from this cell, which is B7. B7. Enter, and 90 is what it says. Verify, and that is correct. It is 90. I'm going to complete that for my docs, sheets, and slides. So I'm going to say docs is equals docs information and B7. And sheets equals sheets exclamation B7. I'll press enter. One more time. Equals slides exclamation B7. Press enter. Now I want to find the total points that I've earned for all of my assignments. So I'm going to use a formula equals sum B3 through B6 and press enter. And the last thing that we need to do is calculate the percentage of each cell from B3 through B6. So B3, the percentage there, I'm just going to type B3 equals B3 divided by the total points, which in each case here it is 100, and press enter. And I'm going to carry that down. The last step to do is in cell C7. We're going to type equals B7 divided by, and the total amount that we are calculating is 100, 2, 3, 400. So B7 divided by 400. It might look a little bit low at this point, and that's purely because we do not have anything in your slide section. You'll notice that if I change that and added some scores there, then your grades would be looking better. Keep in mind that we need to have at least a score of 360 points or a 90% in order to earn that Applied Digital Skills certificate. Once you have completed all of these steps, you can click Share, change your link to MSD Warren Township, and copy that link and submit the link in Canvas.